Good afternoon, guys. Hope you're all well. It's Friday for us today, and we have been, or Martin's been working on this 2025 Consort Vibe. So it's a Fiat Ducato motorhome or camper, sliding door model, but it's a 2025 model. So during the footage, you will see slight difference to the wing mirrors, slight difference to the casing on the wing mirrors, and a very, very different front grille on this 2025 model. Now, the Consort Vibe is not a model I've heard of, but to be honest, they change these names and add new names all the time. But this vehicle has been into us for our extremely popular motorhome front side steps. They are manual, they're fixed, they're not electric, but what they do is allow customers of all shapes and sizes to be able to get in and out of their vehicles safely. And this is just a quick example of, I know we've done loads of these videos, but bracketry is powder coated and bolted up underneath the chassis, and then the steps that are made in Italy are then sent over to allow the customer just to be able to put their foot up on here. Because the Fiats, the Peugeots and the Citroens don't have a grab handle, there's nothing just to grab onto here, which would be great. If there was a handle there, you could just grab up and lift up. But already by fitting our very handy steps, you're not doing this, which for a lot of people is quite an awkward movement as it is. You're now doing this. So I can now step up to the cab, jump into the vehicle and easily sit in. Now, when I then want to get out the vehicle, I'm just going to turn around in my seat. I'm going to lower myself down to the first step, and you've got support either side from the A pillar and the B pillar, but you can just put your heel down on the step and it's reducing your journey down by about half, really. So this is 2025 brand spanking new model motorhome, and it's coming to us for our motorhome front side steps. If you're interested in this product, on our website, we don't supply only, it is supplied and installed only here at our workshop in Poole, Dorset. Website links in the bio. If not, go onto Google or any other search engine, type in motorhome retrofits Dorset, and you will find us and our website. Get in contact with us and we can get you booked in. Have a lovely weekend, and thank you for watching.